However, Agile in itself is just a mindset, not an actual implementation. Hi, it's Daria here with Scrum Mastered. I recently was running a PSM class and one of the popular questions came up. What's the relation between Agile and Scrum? Are they the same? This question comes up a lot, so I thought, hey, great idea for a video. So here you go. But before I jump into the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel and join my newsletter at scrummaster.com. I constantly share practical insights on how to build awesome teams so that you can do it too. And if you're looking for guides and templates to help you with facilitation and give you clear plans of action on various topics, check out my online store at shop.scrummaster.com. Back to the video. Agile and Scrum, Scrum and Agile. Let's start from the beginning. It all started with the Agile Manifesto. We can say that Agile came first, and not as a methodology, but as a different way of thinking about work. The 4 values and 12 principles presented a new way of managing people and projects. It talks about collaboration, self-managing teams, focus on the customer, adaptability, and more. However, Agile in itself is just a mindset, not an actual implementation. Scrum, on the other hand, is a framework with set rules and boundaries. Scrum is what helps us bring Agile values and principles to life. It gives us guidance on how to structure the teams to be able to create collaboration, self-management, customer focus, and continuous improvement. I like to use the metaphor of an agile umbrella or a pyramid to show the connections. Technically, Scrum lives under the agile umbrella alongside other agile frameworks. For example, we can also add Kanban, Extreme Programming, DevOps, Less, Nexus, and a few others there. Now, same as how Agile doesn't tell us how to implement values and principles, just explains the mindset, the Agile frameworks, like Scrum, do not give you exact instructions on how to implement them. Yes, you know that you have a product owner who manages the product backlog, for example. However, Scrum doesn't give you tools for product backlog management or doesn't tell you how to create product goals or what metrics to use to measure your success. This is where various agile practices come in. For example, user stories, planning poker, evidence-based management, pair programming, lean canvas, and many, many more. So on our agile pyramid, we can have practices right below the frameworks. These practices are not exclusive to only one framework and can be used in many different situations. Just to summarize, Agile is a mindset, a different way of working, managing people and projects. Scrum is an example of a framework that helps organizations become more agile. And practices like user stories and planning poker can be used or not used in various frameworks. I go much more in detail on Agile and Scrum in my workshop materials, Introduction to Agile and Introduction to Scrum. I encourage you to check them out in my online store if you need more information on this topic or maybe need help teaching it to others. And that is it for today. I hope you learned something new. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers and Scrum on!